can't believe you hid this from me.
I didn't know.
I thought what we had was real.
It is real, I swear.
Why did you do
AI
this?
just took video creation to the next level. Imagine crafting ultra-realistic characters, keeping outfits and backgrounds consistent, and generating mind-blowing lip syncing, all with just a few clicks.
I created it entirely with Twin AI. Skip recording, start generating. Come join me.
This isn't sci-fi. This is Twin AI Studio, and it's about to revolutionize filmmaking. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be creating AI-powered films like a pro. The first step, upload multiple reference images to Twin AI. Want the same actor in every shot? Done. Need a consistent outfit and background? No problem. This AI remembers all the details so you can create seamless video scenes effortlessly. Now, let's bring our scene to life. Upload an image as a start or end frame or both to control the shot. Choose your aspect ratio and video length. Boom, your AI-generated film is now in motion. Here's where the magic happens. You can direct your AI character's expressions with detailed prompts. For example, if your character is angry, describe it like this. Her face twists with rage, eyes burning with fury, lips pressed into a furious line. This level of detail ensures your AI-generated actor looks exactly how you envision it. The best part? Twin AI's realistic lip syncing feature. Just click the lip sync button, choose a voice, and type your script. It matches mouth movements perfectly, so real it's almost scary. Want an AI version of your voice? You can upload samples to clone your voice with different emotions, making your character sound more lifelike than ever. Pro tip, upload clips with varied tones for the best results. And that's it. AI filmmaking just got insanely easy. No expensive cameras, no actors, just creativity and Twin AI. Try it now at thetwinai.com and let me know in the comments, what will you create with AI? Like and subscribe for more insane AI content, and I'll see you in the next video.